Music is the answer, you know what I'm saying? With just life and everything that goes on, this is what it's about. This is what keeps me going. This is the battery pack. So
make sure it's okay.
music is the motive.
Need a friend just to get away. Drop a needle and let the record play. When the sun comes out, I think I'll go uptown. Drop by the record shop and lay my money down. I'll find a few for me, I'll find a few for you.
Music is really the only thing you have to have in common sometimes for things to work, you know?
I know what you did for you was always the best, the best. So I wish you all the best while I'm on cloud nine. Let's go of my mind while I'm feeling it, 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 feeling it.
The mighty long passage.
I look at songs a lot like prayers, in that you send them out there, and whether anything happens after that is not really your responsibility.
This has been a wonderful lifetime experience for us. We would have never had this opportunity if it had not been for you people, and it's been great.